Good evening, Professor. This is Laura DiPatima, and this is my assignment for Beyond the Classroom. This week we were asked to create a fictional company and create a PowerPoint that would have a kind of like a social media marketing strategy that we were going to present to our company. I took it as a way of persuading my current company I work for to kind of push them in the direction of wanting to have a larger social media presence in the online market. So I will briefly run through my PowerPoint with you. As you'll see in the beginning, I used transitions and images. I chose a theme that was very clean but attractive, very easy to view, and appealing to the eye. I used the shadowing that we learned in this chapter to make my logo, Sweat Apparel, stand out. Created a company history as asked. I used more images from the Bing search option, again, using the shadowing to make my logo stand out. Using animations and more images, created an overview of agenda and goals, more images to make my PowerPoint attractive, but still kind of keep a theme going throughout my PowerPoint to kind of remind people that this is social media based. I created fictional previous projects that we worked on. I created surveys. I inserted tables, pie charts of fictional results that I've got from past projects. Again, keeping my themes. I used layouts from title and double content for these slides. These slides discuss my survey results. Again, used more images, transitions, animations. Again, just further discussing what my results of past projects have told us, more images, and current projects that I am working on for my fictional company for social media. Again, more images, kept the theme consistent throughout. And again, business plan of action, more images, and a questions and comments slide. Again, using the shadowing to help my logo stand out from all the other content. So I would have to say the point of this assignment, the purpose, the focus was to just become better at using PowerPoint and more familiar with its features. Definitely becoming more familiar with the transitions and the animations, even inserting images from the online pictures using the Bing search option. I was not familiar with the shadow icon, and I really enjoyed using that because it helps my logo stand out a lot from all the other content on my slides, which was a great feature that I was unaware of before that I kept incorporating. And the sections were very helpful. The sections kind of helped me when I looked back at my PowerPoint and my slides in order. It helped me organize everything and make sure that my slides were consistent, it was cohesive, and it was kind of following the appropriate timeline of the things that I wanted to talk about. So most of those things, minus animations and transitions, I wasn't familiar with. The sections I wasn't familiar with, and the shadowing icon, that was all new to me, and I really tried to incorporate that as best as I could within the assignment, and I think it definitely made a difference in making a very professional but attractive PowerPoint, and that's really what I wanted to create for this assignment. And I definitely will be using the sections and the shadowing options moving forward because I really do think that they kind of helped me create a very clean PowerPoint that was nice to follow. So I hope you enjoyed my assignment. Thank you.